cheesy bacon cauliflower casserole is a delicious and a comforting dish that is perfect for a family dinner or a potluck. Here's a recipe that serves 6 to 8. 1 large head cauliflower, cut into florets. 6 slices bacon, cooked and crumbled. 1/4 cup unsalted butter. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 2 cups whole milk. 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. Salt and black pepper, to taste. 1/4 cup breadcrumbs. 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Steam the cauliflower florets for about 5 minutes, until tender but still firm. In a large skillet, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the flour to the skillet and whisk to combine, creating a roux. Cook the roux for 2 to 3 minutes, until golden brown. Slowly pour the milk into the skillet, whisking constantly to prevent lumps from forming. Cook the sauce for 5 to 7 minutes, until thickened. Add the shredded cheddar cheese and garlic powder to the sauce and stir to combine. Season the sauce with salt and black pepper, to taste. In a large bowl, combine the steamed cauliflower, crumbled bacon, and cheese sauce. Transfer the mixture to a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. In a small bowl, combine the breadcrumbs, grated Parmesan cheese, and chopped parsley. Sprinkle the breadcrumb mixture on top of the cauliflower mixture. Bake the casserole for 25 to 30 minutes, until the top is golden brown and crispy. Remove the casserole from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before serving. You can also add other ingredients to this dish, such as diced onions, sliced mushrooms, or chopped spinach, to make it even more flavorful and nutritious.